It's 770.
Mic check, mic check.
Doing it all for the thrill. I'm doing it all for the thrill. I'm doing it all for the thrill. You know I'm loving it like you was real.
Okay.
It's a Warphen M160. C.
You want me to hold?
C for carbon.
Okay.
Race face. Handlebars cut to, I think it's 770. Fox 36. Fit for 160 travel bike. Stands, wheel set. Well, Baron in the front. Century in the back. Plus tire 2.8. 2.6. XO1 Eagle drivetrain, Shimano brakes. They're kind of a mix. XT levers, but Saints caliper or pistons. DBO suspension, Jade X with the spring decks. D80 pedals. Fox transfer post 2021 model. And
Boom. There you go.
one up EDC.
Yeah. So this was designed by
This is Warphen. It's made by it's made here, actually around here in Southern California.
I think they're based in Covina.
Designer is Filipino.
It's a Filipino designer.
Filipino guy. His name is Warphen.
Oh, is that his name?
That's his name.
Wow. So it's Filipino pride.
Yep, Filipino pride. So
Right there. Pinoy.
visit his site if you're interested.
Yeah.
Nice
So we're
bike.
gonna put the link on this video where the site is if you guys are interested in buying one.
And also the suspension design is called IntelliFloat.
Oh, what's the difference in that? Oh,
Yeah,
IntelliFlow.
here's the linkage right here. So it's patent
Yeah.
pending.
All right. Good
All
one.
good to go.
Nice.
All right.
Here you go. We're gonna put the link if you guys are interested in buying one. So that's it.